Hello friends, myself Professor Vinod Pillai. Welcome to Java programming session. In today's session, I'll be showing how to create a project in Eclipse ID. Eclipse is one of the IDs available in Java in which we can create projects, with the help of which we can create much complex, or you can say projects in a much easier manner. Yes, we do have other IDs available like NetBeans and other different types of IDs like JBoss and all. Eclipse is one of the open source libraries, or you can say IDs, available in the market. First and foremost, you have to get Eclipse ID from eclipse.org. I do expect that you have ID already installed on your PC. I'm talking about in Linux PC, so I'm working on Linux, so I'll be going through according to Linux concepts. First and foremost, if you extract the Eclipse ID, you'll be getting something like this folder. Okay, there will be an Eclipse icon, just select it. Once the Eclipse ID will be loaded, the first option it will be asking the workspace. The workspace is the section where we'll be storing all our projects. So in my case, I have selected /home/vinodthebest/java session. I select OK. So it will open the Eclipse ID on the base on that workspace. Let's see, it's loading the files. You can go for any of the Eclipse ID. I'm using Eclipse Indigo. You may select any of the IDs which are available right now in the market. So this is the first screen I'm getting into it. First and foremost, we have to create the project. Go to File, New, and we can select Project, or you can select directly Java Project from here. File, New, Java Project. If in case Java Project is not displayed over here, you can go to File, New, and select Other. Select Java Project from here, select Next. Then it is asking the project name. Specify the project name Hello World. If in case it is not showing the JRE, you can select Configure JRE option. Okay, if it is showing, that means already it knows where the JRE is. If it is not knowing, you should show him the space where exactly the JRE is located. Select Next. It will show you the what is the folder structure it has created. Just select the Finish. So you can see that it has created a simple hello world, whatever my project name I have given, an src folder and the libraries. The src folder is the folder which we will be storing all your Java files. Okay, now the next option comes is like, as we have seen, our first task, that is how to create a project in Eclipse. The second task comes how to create a package and how to create the classes. Okay, first and foremost, what is package and all will be explained in my further videos in the Java, but just for the time being, I just want to say that it is a best practice to store all your classes in appropriate packages. Packages helps you to avoid conflicts and helps you to access the library in much easier manners. Okay, whenever you are working with Java, it is to expect that your project is going to have n number of classes. That means the project is going to be quite big. So it is a good practice to have datas, or you can say classes, in appropriate packages so it can be managed in near future. So how to create package here? First of all, select the source folder, right click it and select New and select the package option. Okay, so it will be asking the package name, so I'm giving it com.vinod. You can give any of the packages, either you can go for single level or you can go multi-level. Now you can see the package is being created. Okay, yes, you can create n number of packages as per your requirements. Now whenever you want to create a class inside the package, you have to select right click, select the package, select right click, New and Class. It will be asking the class name. I'm saying main class. This is my main class. If you can see this option, it is giving you multiple options, whether you want to create an abstract class, whether you want to create a final class, whether you want to create a public static void main class, that means it's a main class or not, whether you want to create constructor for superclass and all those things. You'll be seeing as and when one of the topics comes into picture. For right now, whatever class I'm creating, it is my main class, and I select the Finish. So in this way I can create class. If it is not a main class, you don't have to select that option. Okay, so you can see it has automatically created that specify the class within the package. It is saying it has specified that the class name is main class, and it has specified the method also. Okay, so I just simply write system dot out dot println hello world. Okay, so I just save it. So you can see the project is being created, package is being created, and the class is being created. If you don't want a main class, you can select simply class new, and you can say student in my class. So I don't select this thing, so it is just created a simple class. Okay, so here the normal way you can create private variables, and you can create the variables as per your requirements. Okay, so this is how you can create simple classes. Okay, and now the question comes, last question, that is our task, today's task, how to run a project in Eclipse. Let's see the simple hello world. I have printed it. I've said it is having a hello world message. I select the file and say run this thing. Okay, so I run it, the main class, and you can see the console. Previously it was blank and now it is showing hello world. Okay, this is how I used to, or you can say this is how we can create projects in Eclipse and we can run it. Okay, this video is the first video in my Java session. The reason is my previous, now onwards, or whatever videos I'll be showing, in that I'll do consider that you have gone through my Eclipse, this particular ID configuration folder file, so you know how to create projects in Eclipse. In my next video onwards, I'll be showing from hello world to interface, abstract, inheritance, collection frameworks, and all those concepts. Okay, so I hope so I have cleared your doubts, and you know how to create the project in Eclipse. If you still have any queries, you can email me or you can comment